Nice my custom cruiser. Okay, we've now rinsed the tank out. Okay, you can do this forever, but to be honest with you, there's a couple of bits left in like that. As you can see, this was a mass of rust before. It really was. A couple of loose bits there. Once this stuff's gone off, we can blow that out with the airline, get rid of any loose stuff. But compared to how it was, this tank absolutely stunning. And I say, when we had the sealer, the fuel tank sealer, you know, you've got a perfect tank, and basically it won't matter what you put in it. Even though you shouldn't put ethanol in it, you could. God help us. But the fuel is now getting harder to get. You know, decent fuel really is getting very hard to get. It's all this ethanol crap. Use Super Plus unleaded, because for what it costs, it will not attack anything like the amount the other stuff does. Okay, but you remember how rusted up that was. You know, now you can put your finger down, no rust at all. Okay, and as I just tasted there's no acid left either. So stunning job, absolutely amazing, ready for the sealer. Okay, so what I do next video will show the sealer going in the tank. As you can see inside, absolutely stunning. You know, there's a couple of bits there, but they're just loose flakes. They're actually not on the surface of the tank, you see, so they'll come out. Okay, the next tank's being done here. This is my electric line 5 gallon, 6 gallon, whatever the thing is. You know, I've now filled that up, so we're waiting for this to act on this, and then same thing. This will all be, you know, washed out and ready for the sealers to be handed to this one. But I do recommend using something like this big thing at the bottom, block your bungs off if you've got a tank with 2 of these bloody joiner underneath, and away you go. But I'm actually going to do every bike I got, because this ethanol fuel is screwing everything. In case you don't know, it really is. Not just saying that. It's not scaremongering like I was accused of with the exhausts that you can make legal or illegal, which now are a bloody good idea and people would agree. But at the time, people were like, yeah, scaremongering. Ethanol fuel will screw your tank. Your choice. If you're going to be sensible, you'll do it. If you're not, to be honest, you are stupid, because it will attack it, and no matter what you think or do, you can't stop that. Okay, if you want an ethanol cleaner, you know, de-ruster, if you want any fuel tank sealer, give us a call, 01773835666, alternativelycustomcruisers.com. For what it costs and the amount of time it takes to do it, you would have to be mental not to do this. Thank you.